Hi everyone, welcome back to Sugar Mama TV, your financial coach, counselor and creator. Now when I'm working with my existing SaaS financial clients or doing Skype consultations with my Sugar Mama subscribers, one of the most important and most powerful steps we do is set some defined financial goals. Now everybody is very different as to what their financial goals are. Some people need help or advice around how to pay down debt really quickly. Some people need advice and need goals around how to build up savings and emergency money. Some people want goals around, retirement planning and building, long-term financial wealth and independence. Everyone is in, very different stages and phases of their life and have different goals. And those goals constantly change as we naturally evolve through our life cycle. So for this video, it is all about setting financial goals around passive income, because I feel that passive income is one of the most important goals to have to become truly financially free and independent. So I hope you enjoy this video. Like many of our personal goals in life, making sure that they're clearly defined is so important. We're a lot more likely to be successful when we've actually made it very clear and specific as to what we want to achieve. So, for example, if you have a weight loss goal, you say I want to lose X kilos by this particular date, and then you do all the right actions and thoughts and feelings around working towards that weight loss goal. It's exactly the same when it comes to setting financial goals around money. You really need to make sure that you quantify the amount and you put a specific date that you want to achieve that goal by, and so that you can start fine-tuning all the things you need to do to achieve that goal. And when you set a goal for yourself that sort of really resonates with you and triggers an amazing level of passion and inspiration and motivation, you tend to have I see this in people all the time, they have a bigger and better spring in their step, because they know that they're working towards something that really is going to give them a lot of joy and fulfillment and independence in their life, which are all really powerful and attractive things that we can bring into our worlds and for ourselves and for our loved ones. So when you have a really defined goal, another really important aspect or benefit, I should say, of having goals is when those obstacles or challenges in life that present themselves to us, which they do for absolutely everyone, because we've got this deeply seated goal that we're working towards, we're able to maintain focus and we can push through or work through that goal a little bit more efficiently or a little bit more effectively, or even with less pain or less distraction or less time, because we can we still hold on to that goal and don't let it deter us for too long. Now, one of my favorite and most exciting goals that I love working with clients on and working with Sugar Mama subscribers on through the Skype consultations is setting defined goals around passive income. And as I've previously explained, passive income is income that you don't actually physically earn. So you don't actually have to do anything physically, emotionally, mentally to earn money. It's essentially money that you earn while you sleep at night. And the more passive income you can generate for yourself, the more financially independent you are. So when it comes to setting financial goals around passive income, I always help clients work out their magic number. And this is what I'm about to show you. So say, for example, I sit down and I do a budget, and I realize that for me to maintain my current lifestyle, which I'm quite comfortable with, I would need about $750 per week. And that works out to be just under about $40,000 a year. So I would then take that number of $40,000 a year. I'm going to then add, for conservative measures, I'm going to add an extra $10,000 on top of that, which you don't have to do, but I like to do because I'm a bit more conservative in that sense. Sort of allow an extra $10,000 for a holiday, and also some extra cash for emergencies and for being able to continue on investing, because that's what I'm really passionate about and gives me a lot of joy. So that would mean my magic number or passive income goal would be to build, invest and buy passive income streams that over time will provide me with a net passive income stream of over $50,000 per year. Now, There are lots of different types of passive income streams that you can buy and invest in, and this channel is all about covering all of those for you. And for me personally, as you're aware, I'm really passionate about investing in shares, international shares, but particularly Australian shares. So for me, if this was my financial goal for passive income, all my thoughts, feelings and actions are going to be focused around building a passive income stream of $50,000 a year, because I know that that is going to bring me complete financial freedom and independence. So what I recommend for you guys, go to the Sugar Mama website and subscribe. When you subscribe, you will receive an email just confirming your subscription, which you need to confirm. Also check your junk mailbox, because sometimes these emails get lost in cyberspace. Once you've done that, you will receive an email welcoming you and giving you a link to download the complimentary Sugar Mama budget. And once you've done your budget, you can then work out, well, wow, this is how much it costs our family, or us as a couple, or me as an individual, to live per annum. This then will allow you to work out what is your desired passive income stream. Once you've got that number, and you can start the journey towards working towards building that passive income for yourself. So I'd love to hear what you think, what your passive income goals are going to be like. Obviously everyone is very different and has different lifestyles, and have different sort of value points. So this is, I'm really confident this will trigger a really exciting level of motivation and direction for you. And you'll be able to get, once you've got that number to work towards, you'll be able to, I guess, continue on with this journey and building up your financial knowledge, and actually you'll find that you start putting more powerful actions behind working towards these goals. I'm going to be doing lots of videos on passive income. And as you know, I'm doing the $1,000 project, and that passive income so far is just under $350 a year, with a goal of building up to $2,000 per year. I'll be doing another blog post this week, so I've got some more money to invest, which is really exciting. But look, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you have a go at doing a budget. It's not only for the passive income goals, it's really important to know what it costs you to live and where your money goes, and what you can actually question what you value and what you spend your money on. Don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the Sugar Mama website, as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I look forward to posting my next Monday Money video. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Ciao for now. Bye.